Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to give temporary location access to apps on Android phone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might modify the options in the future. If the steps appear different when you are watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. When we install multiple apps on our phone, we often worry about how much those apps know about us, whether they know our location or continuously track it. In such cases, we can give one-time location access to those applications. This is useful for apps like food delivery, taxi, weather, shopping, or travel apps that only need our location occasionally. Method number 1, if there is any specific app for which you want to change the location permission, then we can go to that app icon and long press the app icon. Here we will get the I symbol, or we can go to app info. Then here we can go to permissions and go to location, and here we will get this. So depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer, you may see options such as allow only while using the app or ask every time. We can select the one we want. Also, when the app requests your location permission, you may see the only this time option, which gives the app temporary access to your location. Method number 2, we can go to settings, and here we can go to apps, then go to app management. Here we can review all the installed apps and change the location permission we want. We can make the changes. And method number 3, we can go to settings, then we can go to security and privacy. Here we can go to privacy dashboard. So here we can see which apps have recently accessed our location. We can tap any app we want and we can make the required changes. We can make the changes here. We can also decide whether we want to use precise location. We can enable this or disable this. Also, we can enable this manage app if unused option. This will automatically remove certain permissions if we haven't used the application for an extended period of time. This helps improve privacy. These are the steps to give temporary location access to applications on Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.